Hello mga kakimros. So itong video na to ay nakunan ko sa Northern Blossom sa may papuntang Mountain Province. So napakaganda ito na lugar dahil ito yung dinadayo ng mga turista dito sa papuntang Sagada o papuntang Mountain Province. Kasi ito yung mga pinapasyalan ng mga turista dahil napakaganda po ito na lugar dahil ito ay mga garden ng mga bulaklak. So video music po tayo dito. So kantahan natin yung Take Me Home Country Roads. So kantahan natin yung Take Me Home Country Roads.
West Virginia, known its mountains, Shenandoah River. Happy soldier, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, roaming like the breeze, country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads. All my memories, they gather around her. Minor ladies linger to the water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, misty days of moonshine, no drops in my eyes, country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads. I hear the voice in the morning, now she calls me. Radio reminds me of my home far away. And I been down the road and get the feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads, so take me home, country roads, country roads.
So pahabol lang po yan.